my camera?
I don't know.
Oh no, I thought they were. That'd be crazy sick. They almost look the same.
Well, they don't have the Nikon thing right there. Not picture.
Isn't it tongue blue?
Your tongue's blue.
I have a picture of you videotaping me with my tongue out. I look like a retard.
That was cool.
I'm not liking this song very much.
Yeah, I don't think I am either.
Gay.
We're gangster. So is, you know Sam, the guy who I call Sammy?
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Best thing on.
I was watching one of his videos on YouTube. He's like, George Bush's email.
I was watching YouTube videos and they're like these Chinese people or Japanese, who knows? But they have like 5 videos and it's like how to be nerd, how to be emo.
Oh yeah.
They're so, I love them. But
I love the emo one. Like I couldn't stop laughing at it. It hurts so good. It sounds so like sexually perverted.
and the nerd one, and then all those handshakes they have.
Me and Kevin will have that one down pat. Tell you what, here, I can't hold it. I have to answer a text. What you doing? The same thing I was doing 10 minutes ago!
Where is my phone? Found it.
Same thing I was...
Do you know Gay Chess?
Who?
Gay Chess.
Gay chess?
Gay Chess.
Gay chess.
Gay Chess.
Gay chess.
Do you know Gay Chess?
Oh, gay chess! I thought
Yeah.
you said gay chess.
Everyone thinks I'm saying that.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Okay.
I love gay chess.
For real?
No.
Oh. Do you hate him? Okay, it's just a person to you? Okay, I get it. But Jade, do you like Jade?
Really?
Oh, okay. Well, I love Jade and Jade, but like the only problem with Jade, okay, if anyone sees this video, if it's still on, then we're like dead, because this is not very nice.
Because this
of me.
is going on YouTube.
Like Jade, I love her, but she's so two-faced.
No!
What?
It died! No, it didn't die, but it shut up. Ah!
Can you get my...
Oh well, guess you won't be getting the text back. Oh well. Alright, so what about her?
She's like so two-faced. Okay, and like she'll be a different person.
I think we probably have
Get out
to
my way! This isn't cool. You're invading my secret conversation. Oh my god! Don't spill that on my bag. I'll kill you.
Doesn't seem happy.
And so read this text that I locked because I didn't want to delete it because it made me feel so special.
Hold on. It's not working. Here, I'll read it to you. Well, I'll help that. You're an amazing, interesting human being that is very down to earth.
And it was
Right
really
on.
offensive, but I kind of like him. I go into the mall with him on Sunday. True story.
Don't worry, I don't think Jade's gonna watch this.
But, and then Danielle doesn't really like him either. My sister hates him too.
Wait. Danielle hates Gage?
Pretty much.
Ha!
Because, you know, they're like best friends forever, Jade and Danielle.
Uh-huh.
And, like, that kind of screws everything up. My sister hates them. Because, you know, Gage and Jordan used to date. True story.
True story.
This song